Director General ka North East Center for Technology Application and Reach Nectar Arun Kumar Sharma mentaga sngi ka shpotrik yong ula pentep aksar ka preng ka don niga jingtmu ban panchna de ki techno demo center hapratli ki jilla jong ka than chate lamingi takban bo taka mega techno center ha Guwahati hapakran halor ka jingtmu ban pentma ye ka jingpetre kam de ki tiar kat kom ki jok ki pamenta batu ki ji kai ki bakir pang ki ban ai usarma ula ong connector kelas dang manthung yo saffron hakasnong yang hasikem padula pensngau bakan penroi shu akibai ki jala kanthub ha umyam ha ga jala Meghalaya.
The Nectar is dedicated to expand the benefits of proven technologies through its ongoing activities in the area of agro-processing, biodiversity concerns, bamboo applications, watershed management, telemedicine, horticulture, geospatial applications, skill development and employment generation for tribal, weaker sections, self-help groups, and is providing technology assistance to the state governments of Northeast region.
As you know that we have been working in all sectors to generate livelihood and to reach the society with the technology intervention. When I say all sectors, I mean to say it's that we are working in agriculture sector, on food processing sector, textile and fiber, then poultry, IT and communication, then flood resilience, geospatial applications, bamboo applications, and of course we are open, which is not like this, that's nothing like that it is to be only on these particular sectors. We are open for the overall development of the Northeast region, particularly the rural part of the Northeast. So in that, so that's the main vision, is that we need to make a bridge between the innovation technology and the societal development. We have invited all the stakeholders. Means it is not only the scientists, technologists, but also entrepreneurs, even farmers. Yesterday, so many farmers came yesterday. Farmers, then the NGOs, self-help group, and of course state government officials. So idea is that they should find out what are the technologies are available. Because see, there are the technology which are demonstrated over here may not be exactly useful, but it requires little bit of customize, so that if the farmers tell about, suppose if I tell about that I want to have some mushroom cultivation or any other, so the soil structure of that particular region may not be the exactly same as the soil structure of the other region. So the technology which has been used to grow mushroom or to increase the mushroom growth is useful in some places, but may not be useful here. So that the developer of the technology who is here, at the same time, if he or she gets some feedback about the basic content of that particular region or soil and wood or this, then he can definitely think about to make it more customized way, so that it could be useful for this region.